Today I will do a comparison test of the GoPro Hero 4 Black Edition and the AEE Magicam S71 under diving conditions. I took both cameras diving with me a while back and I think it's a good idea to look at the results. On the left side of your screen you can see the images I took with the GoPro. As you can see, there is nothing wrong with the image quality of the GoPro. However, if you look on the right side of your screen, you can see the images I shot with the Magicam S71. I like those better, to be honest. In my opinion, the Magicam's colors are a bit more lively, even though the image quality might not be as sharp as the images shot with the GoPro. Both cameras were underwater with me for the same amount of time, roughly 25 minutes for my first dive in which I shot this footage. The water temperature that day wasn't great. I guess it was around 10 degrees Celsius and the air temperature was around 25 degrees Celsius that day. The AEE didn't seem affected by this temperature difference at all. The GoPro, however, did show a fair bit of condensation after just 10 minutes of diving. I don't know how this happened. I changed the housing for my second dive that day, but the same thing happened again. A bit unfortunate considering that the GoPro waterproof housing is a lot more expensive than the waterproof housing offered by AEE. As I expected from cameras in this price range, I didn't run into any other problems with the cameras that day. All in all, both cameras worked very well that day, and the footage of both cameras was great. So if you are looking to buy an action camera to take with you on your diving trips, both cameras are good options. Simply look at the footage and buy the one that you think gives the best results.